What's the difference between a mini excavator and a skid steer loader? Which one should you buy? Let's take a look. A mini excavator is a small mechanical digger with a boom, a bucket, and a cab. They are typically less than 10 tons and range all the way up to around 15 tons. Mini excavators have tracks which allow them to dig and move the dirt or other materials that they are digging with relatively easily. They also have a slew ring that allows the entire machine to rotate on its tracks. This makes it easier for them to get into tight spaces and also allows them to dig at different angles. The main benefit of a mini excavator is that they are able to dig much deeper, and also they can reach further out than a skid steer loader. This is because of the boom and the arm that the bucket attaches to. The digging depth of a mini excavator can be as much as 14 feet, and the reach can be as far as 26 feet. This makes them ideal for projects where you need to dig a foundation for a building or a swimming pool, or maybe you need to dig a trench for a septic system. A skid steer loader, on the other hand, is a lot smaller and a lot less expensive. They typically range from 1,500 to 3,000 hours and cost anywhere from $15,000 to $40,000. A mini excavator, on the other hand, costs between $40,000 and $120,000 and has 2,000 to 5,000 hours on it. So right off the bat, there is a huge difference in price between these two types of machines. And then if you add in the cost of maintenance and fuel, it really starts to add up. A skid steer loader is much cheaper to maintain and fuel than a mini excavator. Another difference between these two types of machines is the way that they are powered. A skid steer loader is typically powered by a diesel engine, whereas a mini excavator can be powered by either a diesel engine or a gas engine. This doesn't really make a big difference in terms of performance, but it is something to keep in mind when it comes to maintenance and fuel costs. If you are looking for a machine that is versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks, then a mini excavator may be the right choice for you. However, if you are looking for a more cost-effective solution, then a skid steer loader may be a better option. Let us know what you think. Comment below. Which one would you choose?